Welcome back to our channel and thanks for joining us. As you all know, we collected Matilda on the 30th of October, so she's been with us approximately 1 month now. And we just wanted to share with you the changes that we've made so far. Some of the changes we didn't expect to make, some of them were planned. She's far from finished for us, but time is ticking on and we need to be ready for our first trip away at Christmas. It's another grim day, blinking rain. Oh dear. She did indeed start, thankfully, which meant we could bring her closer to home, ready for Ryan and Pete from the Boys Who Sew to come and measure up for some fabrics.
.140 wide.
Yeah.
Otherwise it's gonna, and if you have like a return.
I can do a return flap that pins against that.
Yeah, and that'll come to there.
Okay, can we measure that whilst doing that? 70 width finished and width. And what was the other one? You dropped
57. Can't remember.
Got a mug. Means one thing. He only went a bloody past. Oh God. Am I relieved? I can't believe it. 4 minors. Pretty happy with that. God. The pressure. I hate exams. Hate it. But I'm so pleased. So chuffed with myself. Especially, you know, it's been a year of menopause and brain fog and blah blah blah, but did it. Bloody did it. We commenced work on the interior of Matilda. Before painting started, we did a quick sugar soap. We get the fun task of painting the window frame. God, what a day out there again. Can't wait for the sun. Okay. So this is just a damp seal. Matilda's absolutely fine, but we're just going to do this window before we paint it a new colour. It's just for a bit of protection really, so not a huge amount left in here, so we'll see how we get on for the day. Wish me luck. There we are. What are you doing?
Taking the mirrors off. So I could put nice new shiny ones on at work. These are a bit bitty.
Is that the old mirror?
Yeah.
Is it working?
Somebody's put about 9 million spacers to try and get it to fit, so it's wedged.
Blame the army.
Yeah. Over-engineered army.
Oh, I just think soon this window I'll have amazing views and not the drill in the background. Not of a woodyard. Bathroom's coming along. So put tinies in and new toilet roll holder, which hopefully is completely waterproof. Just need a little cabinet now and we are done. Matilda has older style windows with no built-in mosquito nets or blinds, so Mark fitted this amazing blind from New Blinds Limited and it fits perfectly.
You can't tell me the deck is stacked. You can't
with these that we got from IKEA. Just hooks. No screwing, no tools required. You literally just push them and they suction to the wall. I think they take up to 3 kilos and you can move them around. Absolutely brilliant. Perfect. Great for tiles, white rock, this kind of washable surface. Perfect. Thanks, IKEA. So by taking all these cupboards out, we're going to replace them with full height, giving us more space, more storage space for my clothes. So today I am spending the day with Matilda on my own. Got my big girl pants on. I know it might sound a bit silly, but it's always the two of us always come and do bits together, but Mark's busy working. And as I have finished full-time employment, ready for January, makes sense that I come and get some bits done on my own. It's cold! Fingers crossed the diesel heater works today. Some bits and bobs of painting to do, a little bit of tidying up from when we took the storage out the other day. So yeah, sometimes it's easy just to get some of the painting done when there's just one of you in the vehicle. Not bad enough for getting it all over me as it is, let alone two of us. So we have nearly all the paintings done. Now we've decided to put new I am stopped at light, sorry, I am concentrating. Yeah, new storage in the bedroom. Hopefully that will go in on the weekend. It arrives on Friday, so hopefully Mark can get on that fitted on in the week this weekend. Measuring up for the new headboard this Saturday as well. Fingers crossed that will be done for Christmas. The lady that's doing it is stacked at the moment, so hopefully that will be done before we go away for our little shakedown at Christmas. But it's no biggie if it's not. All the seating, that will definitely be done for Christmas. Can't wait to see it all together now we've finally chosen some materials. And then actually getting things packed into her, deciding what we're going to take, what we can take, what we can fit, what we need, what we really, really need, and what we don't actually need. So any tips from you truck life, van life people out there, things that you've taken and actually you've not really needed, or you thought you needed and then actually you've not used. Any tips actually will be really grateful as to what we take with us. I'm sure there's loads of stuff that I probably will take, but we don't actually need. And I suppose a lot of it's weather dependent as well. So yeah, so any if you drop us a message or comment on this, any things will be any tips will be greatly received. We've got the heated seat on as well. That I will definitely miss when we are in Matilda on all of the heated seat. First world problems, eh? Oh, there she is. Weirdly, I miss her when we're not with her. Well, I suppose that's a good thing because it means that we're doing the right thing. Right, now I need to do the ladders and everything. I'll open up on my own, and I've never done it on my own before, so wish me luck. It'll be fine, I'm sure. So this is currently the state of our bedroom area. Excuse the paintwork that's getting completed today. That was just a base coat of damp proof. So this here was let's say low level cupboards with a beautiful oak shelf and then just a space at the top. So we decided to remove all that and we're going to replace it with floor to ceiling cupboards, just to utilise all the space that's in here really. As you'll appreciate, it's not a house, there isn't a huge amount of space, so we need to use exactly what we can. And this is the bed area, and then down there into the lounge and kitchen. Again, excuse the mess. There's no soft furnishings in at the moment. Everything is under construction. But yeah, that's where we are with the bedroom at the moment. So hopefully next time you see this, it will all look beautiful and finished. A new colour today for the bedroom. There she is. Yeah, Salt of the Earth. Slightly darker this is for the bedroom, but it's going to look amazing. Well, thank you again, Fifi, for your expert advice. Shush. So it's a painting morning for me. Painting. Why do I keep saying painting?